Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today is an incredibly exciting day because we're in the heart of Europe, ready to explore the charming and picturesque city of Amsterdam. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into this Amsterdam Central Station is a major transportation hub and one of the main railway stations in Amsterdam, Netherlands. Most of the attractions are near the Central Station, which can be explored on foot. One cannot visit Amsterdam without experiencing its famous canals. We're about to hop on a canal cruise to witness the city from a unique perspective. The picturesque views and charming architecture along the water make it a must-do activity. Please check out my detailed video on our canal cruise. In Amsterdam, there are more bicycles than people. Biking is not just a mode of transportation here, it's a way of life. Amsterdam offers a diverse and delicious food scene, featuring a mix of traditional Dutch dishes, international cuisine, and innovative culinary creations. You must try Dutch-style fries or chips, often served in a cone with various toppings such as mayonnaise, ketchup, curry ketchup, or even peanut sauce. Amsterdam is a fantastic city for shopping, offering a mix of international brands, unique boutiques, and markets. Kalverstraat and Leidsestraat are two of Amsterdam's main shopping streets, lined with a mix of well-known international brands, department stores, and popular fashion retailers. They are walkable from Central Station. Amsterdam is a haven for those with a sweet tooth. The city offers a variety of delightful sweets and treats. Stroopwafels, a classic Dutch treat, and poffertjes is small, fluffy pancakes that are typically served with powdered sugar and butter.